Hi Tulips, welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, a warm welcome. So glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So today's video is a follow-up of the Tree Hut Vitamin C. You guys know that I was gifted the Tree Hut Vitamin C body scrub and body butter. As you guys already know, I've already ran out of the scrub, so I only have body butter left. The purpose of this particular product is to provide long-lasting hydration and leave your skin feeling soft. As you guys can see, I have just killed this within a 2 months time frame. Like literally, I really like this stuff. By the way, if you're new tuning in, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up. I love to have you be a part of this Tulip Nation. So as you guys can see, it goes on thick, but it just melts in your skin like butter. I absolutely love it. I apply this every night before bed, and the reason I prefer to do that is because it's still so lightweight to be a body butter. I don't go to bed sweating. It's just, I love this. This particular one does consist of vitamin C. It says vitamin C, so I love that. You guys, I would absolutely purchase this myself. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.